students, I am Raja Ghulam Aslam Khan, your teacher from GMS Kacharma, Trust Milyal Dun Kalpura. Dear students, this time your class 6th class, subject is science, date is 1st, 6 20. Dear students, today my topic is body movements. This is lesson number 8 of your general science class 6. Dear students, you see towards me, look, I am in front of you, this is my body. And you have a body, you see the animal, different types of animals, they have their body. Some are flying in the air, they have the body. Some are swimming in the water, they have the body. Some walk, they have the body. Animal has a body, every living thing has a body. So, yes students, as I am talking to you, you see towards me, I am moving my lips, I am moving my tongue, I am moving my hands, I bend myself down, I stand up, I bend myself right side, and I bend my left side. So what is this? These are called the movements. When I bend myself down, when I stand up, I bend right, left, I move my hands, I write on the board. So what is this? This is called the movement. These are called the movements. And how these movements occur? Our body is made up of two things. One is called bone and second is muscle, cartilage. So, the movements of body is only due to when there are joints. So, my topic is body movements. I have shown that how body movements occurs, how I move, how the other animals move. You see, some are swimming in the water, some are flying in the air, some are walking on the ground. As you see, a snake is slither on the ground. So there are different types of movements. We have internal movements, we have external movements. Internal movements are not visible, and external movements, as I am in front of you, I am doing, you see me, these are called visible movements. So these movements are only due to the joints. Joints. So dear student, what are the joints? A joint is a junction. It is a place where two or more than two bones they unite, they join at a place, and that place they form a junction that is called the joints. Like see here, this is my forearm, this is my upper arm. Here at this side, this is called elbow. Three bones, radius and ulna and humor, they join at this place and they form a joint. And due to these joints, the movement occurs. So there are a number of joints in our body. So on the basis of function, on the basis of their location and position, these joints are divided. See towards the whiteboard, they are movable, and second is immovable. Immovable means those joints which cannot move. They are the present, they are the junction in your body, but they cannot move. They not help any movement. Like you see, this is my suckle. These are also called fixed joints. Immovable joints are called also fixed joints. Fixed joints. There are joints in my suckle. You not see any movement at this time. I am in front of you. You see, this is my upper jaw. When I talk to you, this jaw is fixed. It cannot move. So upper jaw is also called a fixed joint. My lower jaw is moving. It shows some movement. So lower jaw is not a fixed joint or immovable joint. And these movable joints are further classified. Number one, ball and socket. Ball and socket. Second is hinge joint. Third is pivot or pivotal joint, and glide joint. These are different types of these movable joints. They help in movement of your body. If these joints are not able, I cannot change my position, I cannot walk, birds cannot fly, the snake cannot slither, so there are no movements. Fish cannot swim in the water. So what is a ball and socket joint? Just trying to see towards me, as this is my body. Ball, you know that ball means a round shaped, anything round shaped like this. For them to consider this is a bone. And a socket is a cavity like this. When you have round shaped bone like this fixes into cavity. Cavity is like this into the cavity of another bone, and they form a joint, and that joint is called ball and socket joint. And what happens at this place, this ball is fixed in this cavity and it can rotate in all directions. And examples are of this ball and socket joint: shoulder joint, and second is hip joint. Like, see, here this is called shoulder joint, this, and I can rotate this in all directions. So this is called ball and socket joint. Second, this hip joint. Hip is at this place. This joint is formed hip bone, and this humerus. They form here a joint that is called hip joint, and I can rotate it my leg, see, in all direction, up, down, round, and also in circular. So these are called the ball and socket joint. Second is a hinge joint. Hinge joint means in hinge joint what happens only one direction. Only one direction. We can move only one direction. Like, see, this is my elbow, and at elbow joint is called this hinge joint. And best example is to a door. You see there is a hinge, and door opens, close, only one direction. So this is called hinge joint. At elbow is the example, and this knee. These are two examples of this hinge joint, knee, which is only one direction. I backward, not, and cannot rotate any side, other side. It cannot move. So this is called hinge joint. And you see that example of a door. Then the pivotal joint. Pivotal joint means you have a cylindrical shaped bone, and other bones are fixed in this. The ring bones. They fix in them. The best example is the spinal cord. Spinal cord, we have 32 vertebrae, they are fixed with each other, and this is called the pivotal joint. And then gliding joint is this joint and rest joint. When I move, I kick a ball, the bones glide on each other, so that is called a gliding joints. And the movement of my body is only due to joints. Different types of joints we have, and you know that what are joints. Joints is placed while one or more than two or more than two bones, they unite at each other, they junction at one another and help in movement, and they are connected with the ligaments and the cords. So dear students, today you know about how the body movement is, what helps us in the movement. Joints play main important role in the movement of our body. Hope you will understand this lesson, and inshallah in next time I will make much understand you that what are called the skeleton, what are the cartilage, what are the ligaments. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.